Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be discussing Google Forms and how to merge the information into Google Sheets. Here we have a table that concentrates sales agents and their sales, and we'll use this table as a starter for the information we need in order to create a form. If you want some help on how to create a table like this, click on the link above and watch my previous video. We need to copy the table, not including the prices, and create a new sheet that I'll label Data. In this new sheet, we'll paste what we copied. You've probably noticed that we have some duplicates, but we can take care of that easily. Select all the names, click on Data, and remove duplicates. Google will advise you with how many duplicates were removed and how many unique values remain. Let's do the same for states. Select your states, click on Data, and remove duplicates. And finally, we'll do this a third time for items. We're now left with a table that has only unique values in each category. We want to use this information to create our form now. We'll go to our drive, right-click anywhere on the screen, More, and Google Forms. Let's title our form Sales Form. And we'll begin by adding the questions. The first one is Sales Agent. Click on option 1 and go back to the table we created. Now copy all the names of the agents and paste it into the form's options. Next to the title, we'll choose the type of response we want to be provided with. In this case, drop-down. Below, change this question to be required. Now whenever a sales agent wishes to record a sale, he or she will be required to first enter the name. To add our next question, we'll click on the plus sign in the circle to the right. Our second question will be agency. We'll change the type of response to drop down, and let's go back to our table and copy the states. We'll paste it into our form, and again, we want to make the response required. Let's add our third question, item. We'll change the response type to checkboxes, and copy and paste our items from our table. The response here will be required as well. For our fourth question, we'll write price. Response type should be short answer, and in the options below, make sure you have selected number. And because we don't want to limit the numbers, we'll select is number. To the right, we can add an error message. Let's write numbers only. If the agent writes a letter here by mistake, they'll receive this error message. Don't forget to make this response required. Now that our form is complete, we can see a preview of it. Go to the top and click on the I symbol. Let's check this out and fill out a hypothetical sale. We'll choose the name, agency, and the item we sold. Let's say Google Pixel 4. And let's say we sold it at $899. We'll click submit and we get a message that our form has been submitted. Let's go back to our form, and on the top, next to questions, you can see responses. Click on that and you can see that Google does a very nice job in summarizing all of our form submissions. Now we need to tell Google where to store all of our responses. Click on the sheet symbol to the right and select existing spreadsheet. We'll choose our sheet that contains our table and click select. Sheets automatically opens a new sheet in your file and labels it Form Responses. You can see that our form submission has been entered right here. Let's put in another response. We'll go to our forms and go to the preview. Choose a name, an agency, the Nest Camion door this time, and the price we sold it, and click submit. When we go back to our spreadsheet, we we can see that Google automatically entered the response. So you see, it's just that easy to create a form and merge the information into sheets in order to keep track of any kind of data. Obviously, you could use forms for keeping track of grades, monthly bills, or anything else you can think of. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!